Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I want to talk about something really interesting: how to use your competitors' Google reviews to become a better carpet cleaner than they are. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only: getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing program. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many carpet cleaning businesses as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis or through this YouTube channel. So let's dive right into the video. How to use your competitors' Google reviews to be a better carpet cleaner than they are. How to use your competitors' Google reviews to beat them. This is quite a simple concept, and so this is probably not going to be like a really long video, but I just wanted to share this with you because this is like a really simple thing that you can do to position yourself above your competitors. It's really straightforward. So I imagine in your town or city, there's probably a number of different carpet cleaners, but there's probably only 1, 2, 3 that are like what you would consider your main competitors. For example, that could be a franchise that spends like tons of money on advertising, that's got loads of customers, that's taking them away from the little guy, from you as an independent carpet cleaner. It could be like another successful, maybe you've got 2 or 3 trucks on the road and you're quite established. You're not just like a man with a van. Maybe there's like 1 or 2 other guys that are at a similar level than you are that you consider to be maybe your direct competitor. So here's what you can do, really easy, really straightforward. Go and check out their Google reviews. Go and look at the 5-star reviews. Go and look at all the things that people really love about that competitor and write it down on a list, all the things that they really love. Maybe it's the fact that they showed up on time. Maybe it's the fact that the guy's like super friendly. Maybe it's, everybody said the pricing was reasonable. Maybe, it's the eco-friendly chemicals they use. Whatever it is, like write it down. And then go and look at all of the bad reviews, right? All of the reviews that were so-so. Look at all the things that people were unhappy about, that people were upset about. Look at the bad reviews. And basically, like, write a list of all of those things. Do you know what I mean? Maybe they showed up late. Maybe there was some like bait and switch or some hidden costs. Maybe there was some misunderstanding. Whatever it is, just write that list down. And basically, all you need to do is just be better than them on all of those things that you made a list on, right? Like, that's really it. If they're really good at like showing up on time, like be better than they are at showing up on time. If they're like super friendly on the phone and really awesome to like deal with, like be even friendlier, create an even better customer experience. If they use like some super eco-friendly products and everybody loves that, make a point of saying all over your marketing that you use eco-friendly products. If the things that people are really upset about, like make a point on your own marketing, on your own website, the things that company was really upset about, that you excel in those areas. Obviously, you don't need to be mentioning that other business like in your own materials, whatever. But like, let's say, like one of your competitors has got like a few negative reviews that they showed up late or whatever, or that maybe they were unresponsive to some like follow-up messages. Maybe they've only got 2 or 3 reviews like that. Maybe it was just like a one-time thing, but clearly that's something that's annoyed somebody at one time. On your website, on your ads, on your flyers, whatever, like put like, we guarantee that we will always be on time and we'll always answer the phone to you, whatever, make a point of that. Put it front and center so that when people see your stuff, you're highlighting all their kind of pain points, all the things that annoy people. Like you're saying, hey, like, we're really good at those things. And so you won't have that problem that you had with that other guy. And all of those things that people liked about your competitors, like, we don't have to say you're also, just make sure you put that on there as well. So that people are like, wow, these guys are talking about all the things that are important to me. And, what you might find is, if those people that maybe had left like a bad review with that other person or had a bad experience, if you run ads and stuff to like zip codes, the chance that those people will see your ad, or maybe they'll get a flyer through the door. When they see that and they see that market material and they see that you're highlighting those things, it's obviously going to hit a nerve, and they might think, oh wow, like this is someone I want to use, and you might actually be able to get that customer for yourself. So that's kind of really just like a little quick video I wanted to make, just a quick hack, how to basically like look at what people are saying on your competitors' Google reviews and just do everything that people love about their services. Just do it even better than they did, number one, and all the things that that people didn't like about that service, like make sure that you do those things much better and you will beat your competition. It's really simple as that. So carpet cleaners, I really hope that you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you would like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head down to the description of this video where you'll find a link where you'll be able to find out more about that and schedule a call. Speak to you soon. Cheers.